Junior, JR, JR, why did you roll over into the corner of the couch and the bed when clearly there's no. I have to show my little nephew, yo. His mama gonna be like, what the hell, you see the little sheep out there? He bought up in the corner. You see him bought up. You see the light. You saw him move. My little nephew. He's still moving. Zaya Junior. Why you bought up in the corner? Why you bought up between? Oh wait, I see that. I'm sorry. I see it. Why is you in the joint corner? Come on, Junior. JR. Come on, you can't go. You gotta come out of the corner. Come on, JR. Come on. You gotta come out of the corner, man. You gotta come out of the corner. I'm sorry. You can't roll over into the corner no more. Look right here. Right here. Look, you see? Right here. Look here. Look here. You rolled into the corner. I'm right here. Uncle right here. Look. Uncle right here. Why you roll over into the corner? Was you that tired? he's out of there. Just wanted to share that. See what he do next. I don't think he liked the light. He's still out of there. And look at his mama. Look at his mama. Knock the hell out. Tara with her little she's sitting my niece. Knock the hell out. She don't even see the light in her face. She could be like, uncle, why you do that? Because it's cute and fun. And look at her little offspring. Look at him handsome still. Looking like his mama sleeping. She darker than him, but that's okay. He got a nose and eyes. Well, he don't got a eyebrows. He got a unibrow. See? Close. What's they little too? Aww. They too. Too. Okay, I'm done. It's a wrap. I'm trying to make it even though, but oh well. Night. NIGHT. Marching Return of the Pink Panther. Deuces.